The sewage water from the stormwater drain from Anantpura has already started entering the lake. You can see it is filled up the gazebo area and it is crossing over to the path. Here you can see behind the gazebo this whole area is flooded with sewer water, and this is the opening through which it is coming. Uh, the water is seeping up here also. Some soil has been put here, but this is not enough to hold the water. In fact, all along the boundary water has come in, and this is the condition. This is the level of the stormwater drain, and this is the opening through which it is entering the lake area now. And this water level here, this will have enough pressure that the water will come across the boundary. So only way to stop it entering the lake is that we sand up this exit. The culvert, the open drain, stormwater drain exit has to be sandbagged and stopped. There is no other way that water can be stopped from entering the the lake. This will all flow into the lake very soon. So the sewer water is entering the lake, polluting the lake and creating a grave threat to the bird reserve there. It's causing so much inconvenience to the morning walkers also. Now, just now notice that because of the stagnation of water all around gazebo, the whole structure is getting damaged. It is sinking. You can see here cracks have already come in. This platform is going down, and at this place also you can see the floor is sinking. It's all cracked. These are fresh cracked which have come because of, you can see here it's very fresh. It's perhaps today only it has happened. So this is all because of this accumulated water. Soil is now totally moist, and very soon this whole structure might go in. This pillar is also broken, sir. Sir, this pillar is also gone.
Oh, it is broken, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fresh only. So we are now inside Esteem Northwind property, and at the far end you can see the two buildings behind Century Saurus, and you can see the drain. It's already stinking, and because there is no exit for the drain, it's all getting filled up wherever it is finding path. Far end of this side will be having our gazebo, back of the gazebo where the drain ends. Oh my goodness, the video was off. So you can see the whole, this property is flooded. All sewer water is coming. Let me get my camera inside. You can see the extent of flooding.
are trying to grow things here so that, you know, we maintain this place.
Take the pictures.
But rubbish from everywhere has now come here. We are actually zero distance.
We are in front of Century Saurus. This has been closed here, outlet has been closed here. And this has been opened. Earlier it was blocked here, it has been opened. And you can see all the Anandpura sewage which is flowing down this drain now. This is all what is ending up in the Esteem Northwind property. So this is the Century Saurus entrance. This is the building which was blocking this drain. Now this, some time back, few months back, this drain has been opened. Earlier it was finishing here, now this has opened, because of which the flow is there. All this flow is going and finally ending at the dead end just behind the gazebo of the lake. Earlier there was nothing here. The drain was made up to here and then again it was picked up from the other end. Very strange arrangement later. So this is another drain which is joining in here. It looks as if it is coming, we can see across up to the main road. So that means probably it is coming from somewhere near Dio Marvel. It's not just this Ramanashri catchment, it is coming from far end. So this drain is also coming in and joining here. So it's not just the Anandpura sewerage what we are getting, we are also getting the, and this facility, they are just putting their grey water and black water here directly in the drain. It's totally untreated, doesn't look like treated water. So here it is coming, and then again there is, these weeds have grown so much. What do we call them, sir? If they end up in our lake, then it will be totally inundated. And you can see now this is continuous. It's full of these weeds. I don't know what is this, these houses here. Further down the line, I think there might be a crossover for the drain. And this is the drain which finally ends up behind gazebo of the lake.